How you doing, guys? It's me. It's me. I'm back to talk about hockey. And you know what? I heard that the Stanley Cup is gonna happen soon. Can you believe it? I can believe it because I know it's happening. And you know what? I'm pretty happy with the guys who made it to the next round. The blue shirts and the white shirts, who sometimes change their shirts. And that's, because, these guys, they have some talent on these teams. They know how to handle this puck, and you know what? It's gonna be fun. Grab your kids. Well, don't grab your kids, but bring them over here. I mean, bring them to the television. Bring the kids over to television. Bring your wife, and sit them down and say, we're gonna watch some real hockey. And then it's good here I'm gonna drop a map of how it's gonna go. The bracket. This is called bracket. I'm gonna drop a bracket, and what we're gonna do is there's no point in drawing up a bracket. Okay, not a bracket like what teams is gonna make it the cup, because we know what teams are gonna be there, So what I'm gonna do is make about which guys teams are gonna win which games and what days. You know what I mean? Alright, let's make some room here. I gotta move my empties over here. Move this shit over. Get this off the table. Get it off. Get it out of here. Get it out! I don't want these. It's not me drinking this stuff. It's those other guys, those jokers who's working over there. Didn't pay attention to nothing. Anyway, I'm gonna draw up this map, and we're gonna see what. So we got blue guys here. You guys looking? Are you guys watching this? You better be watching. I draw this map, and then he goes up. This team against that team. That's so we got that established. One team plays the other, and when the series wins the Stanley Cup. So here's how it's gonna go. Blue shirts are gonna win this game, and the white shirts are gonna lose this game. And so the white shirts play these guys. The next day in their other shirts. These guys, the blue shirts they're not gonna know what to do because they're tired. That's the first game they ever won. And everybody, and this guy, and then Stammer, this is his name, Steamboat Stamsky. Steamboat Stamsky's gonna go up this left field, and he's gonna cross over there. And the other players, what's his name? Toes? Johnny Toes. Johnny Toes and Steamboat Stamsky, one-on-one, two good Canadian kids. I love it. I love when these guys play. Okay, so I'm gonna be and when game time on Wednesday, on Tuesday, on the middle of the week, we're gonna watch some real hockey. I'll tell you that much. It's gonna be so much fun. Grab your kids. Don't grab your kids. Just bring them over here. Just put them in front of the television and make them watch some real hockey. And Don Miller.